What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Brandon, and today I got something in the mail and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Before we go ahead and get into it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and do this thing. Alright, so I kind of wanted to make this video a little short. So today I got in the mail what I picked up maybe a couple days ago, which is a hard case for the Nintendo DS Lite that I just picked up. When I was a kid, the Nintendo DS Lite was the next step from having your Game Boy SP. And played this thing a lot growing up, and loved every minute of it. And so I don't know, for some reason when I was younger I sold it, and you know, as I'm getting older I'm like, well, you know what, since they're at a decent price still, they're not too expensive, I'm gonna go ahead and pick one up for myself. So I did, and I've been playing Pokemon Sapphire on it, as you can see there. But it needs a case, and for anybody that's looking for a Nintendo DS Lite case, I think I might have found the one for you. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, got it off Amazon. Nothing fancy here. Alright, I paid about, I think it was $14.99 for this product here. Not too bad for a case. Now, it's a bit cheap because it is an older system. So that's what it looks like. Nothing fancy, but it's a hard case, right? It's all black. It's got a nice zipper to it. It's actually pretty good quality on the outside there, and on the inside, that's what it looks like. I mean, that's all you need, really. Nice hardcover case, all black. That's what I like, all black on the inside. Got your mesh pocket there for your system, little strap there, and yeah, that's pretty much all you need there. Now, it doesn't really fit in there with, I got a game slotted in there, but take the game out, and it looks like it's gonna be a perfect fit. Look at that, sit right in there, nice and snug, folds up real nice. You zip it up and you're ready to go, just like that. All right, super simple, hard case, nothing's gonna happen to it, and you're ready to go. All right, if you guys are interested in picking up this product, I will leave a link in the description below for you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more like it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.